This is my ThermoPro infrared thermometer. Works pretty well. It's got two different, basically, sensors on it, okay? And we'll use this, I'll show you. It does have a backlit light, so you can see it turns on there. It has three settings, min, max, and average. I like to put it on average, basically, because then it just takes both and averages them together, but you can have it on max, so you want to know what your max height, max temperature is, and your minimum temperature. I will show you kind of how this works. The reason why I got this is because I have this fireplace here, and I want to see how much heat gets trapped up here, right? So I didn't know if it was going to work, and actually, if I shine it up there, it does actually work. I've tested this out. So if I run across, like for example, if I shine it at that, if I shine it, trying to find it there, see how it's lighter? Because that's sunlight on that wall. So that is actually working. And if I come down here, I'll show you like around my fireplace. This will be a good one, right? If I come there, boom, look at that, it goes way up. And then if I go up here, I was actually using this, so I was kind of wondering how hot this thing got up here. The hottest it got when this was roaring was about 90 degrees. I'm talking about the underneath part here. So that made me feel good. TV should be pretty low. Yeah, about 80. This is pretty neat too. If you go on the glass, I like glare, 66, then you go right on here. It's a little bit warmer, or 65 and 63. So you kind of can see the differences and everything. So yeah, pretty neat little product here. I have their thermometers. I'm a big fan of this brand. That's actually why I bought it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. At first, I thought it was kind of gimmicky and it didn't work, but I think it does work, and I'm very happy with it. There you go.